Okay, we're now live on YouTube. So we're ready to do a plea on Mr. Richardson. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, let me find your paperwork, Mr. Richardson. 1 minute. Right there. Okay, Mr. Richardson, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear that the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Put your hand down, sir. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is your name Lemuel Richardson?
Lemuel Wesley Richardson II.
Okay. Are you the same Lemuel Richardson who in this cause number 2026 CC 009282, who is charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video. You've signed it, so is your attorney. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, he did, Your Honor.
And do you understand it?
Yes, I do.
Hold on, let me sign this document. 1 minute. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor. If you follow that plea bargain, Judge, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, 1 minute, please. Do you understand that on the plea of no contest, that the court can still find you guilty anyway?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody forced you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, apart from that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
It's for a $0 fine plus court costs, 21 days Bexar County Jail with credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently. He does have 21 days.
I'm going to judgment satisfy this case. Do you agree to this, Mr. Armita?
Yes, Your Honor.
You agree to this, Mr. Richardson?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Richardson, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. Sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 21 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give your credit for time served, time and money run current. The judgment is satisfied.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Do you know if this is your client's only case, Mr. Armita?
I believe it is, Your Honor.
If this is the only case you have, sir, then you
Yes, sir.
should be released sometime today. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good luck to you. Tell the deputies that we're finished with your case, and Mr. Ramirez, you can be excused. You don't have anything
Thank
else.
you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Sir.
You're welcome. Thank you.
God bless.
All righty, Ms. Bettis, are you ready on a plea on Ayala Torres? Ms. Bettis, you're muted. Ms. Bettis? She doesn't hear me, Judge.
No. Ms. Perez? Ms. Perez? Ms. Perez?
Yeah, translator's on, but I don't hear the attorney of record. Let
Ms.
me-
Perez? Ms. Perez?
I'm trying. I'm so sorry, Terry. I'm here. Hello?
That's her client, Judge.
Okay, hold on 1 minute.
Okay, I'm ready.
And her client is who again?
Miguel Ayala. Pues, he's the one on the screen. I think I saw him.
Okay. Okay, is he the one we need to translate for?
Yes, Judge.
Yes.
1 minute.
Good morning.
Buenos días.
Morning.
Buenos
Buenos días,
días.
señor. Momentito.
Morning, Ms. Abrams. Hold on, let me clear up some paperwork here. Let me put up Mr. Ayala Torres's paperwork on my screen. Okay, I have to hit the dreaded interpretation button once
Yes.
again.
For
Oh
a
my.
Monday.
It's a Monday. So I'm gonna hit interpretation. I'm typing in the interpreter's name. Start. I'm going to interpretation and hitting English only. So it is set up on my side. I can. The deputies, can you switch? Can you put the interpretation on his end?
Ujú.
They said give them a second, Judge. They're gone.
Okay.
Sí, sí. No está escuchando.
Tell me when you're ready, Arlene.
Sí, sí, sí se escucha. En español. Ujú. Español. Sí, sí. Hola. Sí, sí. Oye,
Okay.
sí escucho.
All right, Mr. Ayala Torres, can you raise your
Sí.
right hand for me? Do you swear that the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Ujú. Sí,
I need a yes or no, sir. Okay, put your hand down, please.
ok. Oye,
I'm
Oh,
about to share my screen with
Oh,
you. Do you see my screen?
sí.
Is your name Miguel Ayala Torres?
Miguel Ayala. Sí,
Are you the same Miguel Ayala Torres who in this cause number 2026 CC 005897 who's charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated as the first offense? Is that you?
sí.
In this case, it is possible that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum 72 hours in jail up to maximum 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine
Mhm.
possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand
Ujú.
what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Sí.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Sí.
Now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it.
Sí.
Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Sí, ella. Sí lo revisamos.
And did your attorney explain this document to you?
Sí.
And do you understand it?
Ujú. Sí.
Hold on, I have to sign this document. 1 minute.
Oh, ya, perdón. Ok, está bien.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
No.
Do you understand that a plea of guilty or finding guilty could affect your immigration status in this country?
Sí.
In other words, if you have a green card, it's possible you could lose your green card. It's possible you could lose your right to become a naturalized American citizen. It is possible that you could be deported. Do you understand those three possibilities?
Sí.
Ms. Bettis, did you discuss the possible immigration consequences with your client? Does he understand them?
Yes, he does, Your Honor. I did go over that with him.
Okay.
The big one got dismissed, so the assault family violence was dismissed on the 3rd or the 4th.
Mm.
So
I'm now looking on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, and so is your attorney. When you signed this document,
Sí.
what you did in effect was this. You told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, Judge, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Sí.
So then, to the offense of driving while intoxicated is the first offense. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me opongo.
Okay, 1 minute, please. And you understand that on a plea no contest that the court can still find you guilty anyway.
Sí.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, apart from that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No. No.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Sí.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
It is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 79 days Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money running concurrently. He does have 79 days.
I'm going to judgment satisfy this case. Do you agree with this, Ms. Perez?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, Judge.
You agree with this, Mr. Ayala Torres?
Sí.
And Mr. Ayala Torres, the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. Sentence you to 79 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money current. The judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Ms. Perez?
Yes, Judge, that's the only case left.
He doesn't have an immigration hold?
No, he does have an immigration hold, Judge. So
He
yes,
does. Okay.
yes,
So
he
as
does.
far as this case is concerned, sir, this case will no longer hold you, but you still have an immigration hold. You understand that?
Sí. Sí, entiendo.
Okay. Good luck to you, sir. Ms. Perez, you can be excused. You don't have
Okay,
anything else with me.
gracias.
And
Estuvo.
good luck to you,
Gracias.
sir. All right? Tell the deputies to finish your case.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Take care.
Alrighty, let's see. Arlene, I still have one more Spanish speaking left. If you want to hold on, if not, then I'll call you. It's up to you. What did she say, Judge?
It's not the dreaded interpreter. It's the dreaded interpreter button.
Button, yeah. Okay, she gonna hold on, Judge? Okay. Who,
Okay, who's on my screen now, please?
Martin Ramos.
Ramos.
Ramos, is that Mr. Saldivar? Is that you ready?
Ready.
Okay.
Okay, and what's happening in this case before we go any further on this?
Judge, it's an MTR. My understanding is we're gonna move forward and then it's asked for it to be denied.
Yes, Your Honor. That's accurate.
Okay. Why don't we just, I mean, I don't see having to go through a whole motion.
It was the
having to plead.
paperwork.
Is it because of the paperwork?
Yes,
Really?
Your Honor. So we're gonna get to the same place, but using the paperwork that is already done what I'll need to
Okay.
do is read off a violation, have them
Okay.
plead true, and then we'll
And then I
enter.
will deny it. That's kind of a rarity. All right. Mr. Ramos, can you raise your right hand?
Yes, sir.
You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir. I do.
Put your hand down. Is your name Martin Ramos Jr.?
Yes.
Are you the same Martin Ramos Jr. who in this cause number 2025 CC 012578, who is currently on probation for the offense of criminal mischief of something had a value between $750 and $2,500? Is that you?
Yes.
I have on my screen now consent to video that you have signed. And basically, when you signed this, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay also with you, Mr. Sutherland?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. And basically, what this document says is by revoking probation that you will have a limited right of appeal, only having the right to appeal the actual revocation. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Kind of weird. And now I'm looking at a document. Okay, now the reason we're here is that there's been a motion to revoke your probation filed in your case that alleges that during the term of your probation that you violated the conditions of your probation. Can I ask the district attorney to please read the alleged violation, please?
Your Honor, we're proceeding on a violation of condition number 2, that on or about the 25th day of March 2026 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Martin Ramos did then and there illegally use a controlled substance, namely amphetamines, in violation of condition number 2.
And to the allegations, sir, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
You plead true. Okay. I'm told that there's a plea bargain in this case where the state has agreed that I find it not true. Is that right?
I'm going to ask that you deny the MTR, Your Honor, in exchange for the agreement that the term be extended by 6 months and modified to include cognitive thinking.
Okay. I'm just looking at the paperwork that's available to me on the screen. So he's pled true to number 2. Are you asking me to find it true and then, but there's no place for me to deny the motion is what I'm saying.
If that is not possible, then Your Honor can find it not true if it allows you to deny it at that point.
Share the screen, Judge.
Okay.
Maybe we can help you.
I'm sorry. I should have shared. I'm sorry. This
Yes,
is
sir.
total.
Okay.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes. Okay. Maybe
If I find not true,
plea taken true. Okay. Maybe
find
Bella can
not-
help
not
us a
true.
little bit.
what do you need?
I said maybe Bella can help us. It is the clerk's paperwork.
Bella?
I would also think that you would find it not true. And I think in your judge notes, you would let us know that it was denied.
Okay. Then I'll just type it in.
Yeah, I would just type it in. He has to
It's
find
not
it
you that has to do
true.
the typing though. All right. Probation. Motion MTR
I mean,
denied.
They hear MTRs on the felony side and continue all the time and misdemeanor. So there has to
MTR
be a way to
denied.
do it.
Defendant continued on probation, right?
He was extended 6 months
Okay. Extended 6 months.
and I'm in for MRT or the behavior cognitive course, whichever course it was.
It was cognitive thinking.
Cognitive thinking. There you go, Judge.
And amend or cog thinking, right?
Yes, yes.
Which I'm not doing at this hour. It's all right. Okay. So when I'm done here, as I've written on here, the probation taken for true. I found it not true. And I've gone down here and typed in MRT. It should be MTR, right? That's it.
Oh, no, you could take that off, Judge. I said MRT by mistake.
Did you? I thought I did that.
I don't know.
MTR denied.
MTR.
Defendant extended 6 months and amend for cognitive thinking. Is that good enough?
That's good enough for me.
All right, then I'm going to sign this thing. And does he need to tell the deputies that he needs to stick around to talk to you, Alex?
Yes, Judge, he does.
Okay.
They do.
Tell the deputies that you need to still talk to the probation officer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Judge. Maybe excuse.
Yes, sir. We'll just
Thank
figure
you.
out.
Thank you all. Have a good day.
You too.
I forgot to tell you on probation.
Mr. Gary, did you get your offer from Talia, or do you need me to move you in a breakout room?
Oh, I have an offer. I was just confirming some details with her.
Okay. Tell me when you're ready to see your client.
Okay,
Mr.
I will.
Thank you. Mr. Hernandez, you got an offer yet? Tony?
Yeah, I was waiting for Talia to follow up on the.
Okay, okay, still working on that one. All right, thank you, Tony.
Okay, Alex, I'd rather help me out with this. It won't let me click out. What am I missing here? Where did Valverde go? Oh.
She went to a breakout room to confer with the defendant judge.
I would just fill it out as normal because now I have all of the information to
Yeah, it's just
include
telling
it.
me that I need to fill out something and I'm not sure I know what it is.
Oh. Mm.
Maybe this one. No. I have no idea. Maybe it's reset. That doesn't matter. I'm gonna have to come back to this at the end of the session because I don't know what it's asking me to fill out. So yeah. There's some box somewhere that I need to click. Maybe terminate unsatisfied. Maybe that's it now. I have no idea. I'm going to just leave it and hope that Alex can help me figure it out. Okay, what do we got next?
People are still conferring, Judge. I'm waiting for Mr. Gary to get an offer.
Martin Ramos was the one we just did, right?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, that's the bottom of my screen. Okay. I'm signing the Ramos conditions. For future reference, we're going to have to figure out another way to do this, Bella. Because your judge is too dumb to figure it out.
We could always leave those in the court of origin.
Yeah. That might be the way to go.
I could always give you an answer, Judge. It may not be the best answer, but it's an answer.
That would be like kicking the ball down the field and not really handling it. Okay, so what am I looking at now? I've got Juan Garcia's paperwork on my screen.
Terry, can you move me in with my client? Oh, thank you.
Yeah, yes.
Juan Garcia is the one that the attorney was maybe going to do a comp eval, right?
Oh, is that the one?
I
Then
believe
I can just trash that one, right?
so, Judge.
Yes, Judge, that's a comp eval. Which I sent to you to sign.
Well, I have Juan Garcia. Look at this. Order for referral to criminal magistrate.
Yes, Judge.
Did you say that was Juan Garcia?
Yeah, Juan Garcia, psych eval. Needs a psych eval.
Not letting me click on the box, so I'm just going to send it. I have signed it, so. Okay. That's sent off. We're missing Gary Warren and Yvette Shanguin.
Green, she's in one and Mr. Gary's in two, Judge.
Okay, so those two lawyers, and then we'll have to take care of the docket.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. Gary,
Yes, we'd like it sent back to the original court for a trial setting.
trial setting on
Okay.
Barry.
Okay. Agreement sent back. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Terry. Y'all have a good day.
You too, thank you.
And then Alex Averde comes back. I need to talk to him.
All right, Judge.
Judge, did something happen on the first one, a WAD that I may have missed? Tony Hernandez?
Ian Jesus Cantu, is that what you're talking about?
No, a WAD, the first one on page 1.
Mr. Hernandez is still waiting for an offer from the state, Angeles.
Oh.
He was waiting for clarification on the existing office offer, and I did chat him. I believe that you were asking me if it was supposed to have been TIC'd.
Yeah, that's what Raul had said when we had the hearing on the MTR.
Okay, I did not see that. Do you want to recall this for tomorrow or Wednesday, so I can clarify that? Because I'm not seeing that case in the system.
We can do that, and I can just run by the 226 and remind him.
Okay, I'll reset this case for Wednesday, Mr. Hernandez. Is that okay?
That should be fine.
Okay.
Sorry
Wednesday,
about that, Tony.
6
Oh, not a
6:10.
problem.
I'll see you Wednesday. Thank you, sir.
Take care. Thanks.
So can we get pretrial on so I can go over the docket?
Pre-trial is on. Margie, you here?
Yes, Teresa, I'm here.
Good morning, Margie. Let me ask you if I can go over the docket with you. But the very first case I have is a client named Mercedes Klein.
Yes,
Is
sir.
that the same as yours? Okay.
Yes.
Well, is number 1 going to be here?
Yes, sir.
Number 2?
Yes.
Number 3?
3. Yes.
4?
4 and 5. Yes, sir.
And that's it then, right?
That's it. Yes, sir.
Okay. So then, maybe you ought to be calling Miss Corby.
Miss
Terry.
Corby.
Yeah.
Okay, Judge. Let me call Miss Corby.
Judge, real quick, I'm sorry. I know, Margie had said that Powell and Ruiz are here. They are not. The detention officers in the jail, we've requested them several times and they have not brought them down to us. They are escorts. So
Okay.
so we
number
do not
3
have them.
and number 4 are not there, right?
3 and 5, sir.
3 and 5 not there.
Yes. Unless
Okay.
they come in when we start doing the bonds, as of right now, they're not here.
Okay.
I'm waiting for Miss Corby to log in, Judge. I'll let her.
Alex Averde? Alex?
Yes, Judge.
We got a problem. I have a problem with Martin Ramos on that paperwork. It won't let me sign it. There's some box somewhere. I'm going to share my screen with you. Maybe you can help me.
Sure. Will you allow Bella just to stamp it?
Yeah, but it won't let me sign it to send it.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
Are
I
you on
guess
the
I have
screen with
to.
me? You see, I've gone over here.
Oh, what paperwork?
The paperwork for the plea of Chu, I found it not
Oh,
true.
I don't know, Judge. I have no, I thought you were talking about my paperwork.
Well, this is probation paperwork.
No, the paperwork that
Well, and I
they
know it's
send,
not
that goes
yours.
to the clerk, Judge. My
Technically,
paperwork
I
is
know it's
are
not
the
yours, Alex, but it
modifications.
is a probation case. I'm asking you to help me because you're the closest thing I have to an expert on probation.
Oh,
So,
I'm sorry, Judge. Maybe it says here, hit that little blue arrow.
I hit the blue arrow, signed it.
Okay. Yo
I
no
did sign
sé.
it before.
Okay.
That's weird. And now I'm going to hit this other. I'm going to hit this next here.
Hit the next. Okay.
Where am I doing? What am I
Corrections, if
doing?
any.
None or
Yeah, put something on there. Put none. No sé.
okay.
Okay, hit next.
Oh, now it's magically working now that you're here.
Now, it wasn't working before.
It wasn't.
Oh, Canales,
It-
you just
it-
like to
it
call me
took
out on
you about a
YouTube.
minute to save the day.
You just like to call me out on YouTube, Canales.
And I'm just telling you, it would not work for me. I don't care if you are Judge Canales,
Oh,
I'm not going to let you sign.
okay, it's my pleasure to help you, so señoría.
Oh, wow. That's it. Okay.
Judge, Karen Corby is here, Judge.
Okay, Karen Corby is here. Can we do hold on. Let me take this off of YouTube. Take this off of YouTube.